Welcome to Talos Tools. Today, we're showing you how to build custom Elementor widgets without writing a single line of PHP from scratch. With our Elementor widget builder, you can define controls, style your widget, and export a ready-to-use WordPress plugin in minutes. Let's get started. First, let's set up the basic info. In the Widget Settings tab, give your widget a unique class name and a title. Don't forget to pick an icon and a category. You can also switch to plugin info to customize the metadata for your generated WordPress plugin, including the plugin name and text domain. Now for the fun part, adding controls. Click Add section to create groups for your settings. You can then add controls like text, color, media, or even repeaters just by clicking them in the sidebar. These sections will appear as collapsible groups in Elementor, keeping your widget settings organized and user-friendly. Next, define how your widget looks and behaves. Use the HTML template to write your structure. And use double curly braces to insert dynamic values from your controls. You can also add custom CSS and JavaScript. Choose Inline to print it directly in the widget, or External to enqueue it as separate files in your plugin. If you're logged in, you can manage your work as a project. This lets you save your progress, group multiple widgets together, and access them later. You'll never have to worry about losing your configuration again. Once you're happy with your widget, it's time to move it to WordPress. You can simply copy the generated PHP code directly, or better yet, click Download Plugin Zip. This package includes everything: the widget files, CSS, JavaScript, and even a README with installation instructions. To install, just upload the zip file to your WordPress site and activate the plugin. Your new custom widget will be right there in the Elementor panel, ready to use. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Talos Tools.